Hello guys, today I will show you how to download images which are able to use without any copyright um, restrictions. So basically you go to this website called Pixabay, just type in Pixabay, B-A-Y and enter, and then you search, you go to this website Pixabay, and there you go. On this site you can download any images and there's no copyright restrictions. So for example, if you want sunset gardens, there you go, beautiful picture with sunset. That kind of has a picture with your garden looks. Okay, so for instance, let's take an image. This one, you can free download there by clicking here, and it will give you option what size you want. So this is the largest size you can download. Click largest. The larger the image, the better the resolution. So click on download. Right, obviously in order to download the image you need to register with them. So if you don't have the registration number, let's try copying the image. Right hand click and copy image. There you go. And let's say you can paste it into whichever program you want. So this is the way to get the large picture. Thank you for watching guys. Goodbye.